Hey guys, Kira here, and today I am doing a unboxing. So if you're wondering what I'm unboxing, I am unboxing this bad boy. So let's get started. Whoa, so many pieces. This is my first unboxing video, so please be in mind. The box instructions at the bottom, of course. Instructions, which I don't need, so that over there. Got the little thing that they put on to hold it on. The thing the phone sits on. You've got the cord and the light to plug it in, which I've got a little port here to use for it, and then obviously you got the stand, which is, we don't need that at the moment, so we'll put that over there. We don't need this anymore, so we'll put this over there. Now, the thing we need to do at the moment is put this on this without it falling over. Let's give that a shot. There. If you guys are wondering, where does the thing for your phone sit? I will show you guys soon. So I'm going to screw this on so it stays and it doesn't move. Alright, so you got this on here. Alright. Now I'm going, I don't know if you guys can see, but this little thing on the top, that thing there, is what this goes into. So let's do that. Be in mind, it's my first unboxing. I probably already said that, but I hope this goes well. Let me know in the comments, guys. Let's put this on. Just slide this bad boy in and tighten that up. And tighten that up so it won't move. And then now you can go ahead and add this on top. Like that. If you guys are wondering how you turn it on, if it's only got, why would you need one of these, a charging block? It's because it is for a charging block that you need to use to plug it in. So I'm going to do that now, show you guys how it works. Don't know if I'll turn it on, but let's see. Put this in the little bag so I don't lose it. I'm known for losing things. I know, funny, right? And guys, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and please subscribe down below if you're not subscribed. That would really help me out. We plug this in like this, make sure it's in properly, and then we plug it into the game board, which I will do just now. Give me 1 minute. Now that it's plugged in, you can go ahead. I don't want to turn it on facing you guys. We can go ahead and turn it on. It's bright. And we can change fonts, and you can turn it darker or lighter. And turn it off so don't waste battery. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!